making my perfect mini fridge, but I only get to pick one thing per round. I love the boba one. I think it's so cute, but this one has an LED light up mirror and I need that. Hashtag need that. For my snack, I'm definitely gonna go with the Pop-Tarts. Duh, you can have them frozen or toasted. Perfect. I don't see a Coke Zero here, which that is what I would usually go for, but I'm gonna go with the Sprite. I love Sprite. For my makeup item, I'll probably go with that. That is really good to snatch your face. My favorite candy is a Sour Patch Kid, so there's no doubt I'm going with that. As for a face mask, I love this brand. I think it's so good. Fruit snacks. I love fruit snacks. I'm gonna keep the fruit snacks. This is my mini fridge.